And moving into Evie's bedroom. And where the wallpaper's going to go. Nice and pink. That's Evie's. All the paints. That's Evie's bedroom. Going upstairs. That's going to be the top room, top floor bathroom. There. This is the boys' bedroom. Plastered today. It's drying nicely. View out your window. All this mess to sort out tomorrow. Back to the bathroom and then into the family room. Started boarding this out. And there you go. That's the full house.